So for the next sample I am going to do is I am going to create an embroidered decorative on the tool. So I've already cut like a rectangle shape, and I use paper towel to place the tulle fabric on it. And of course I did pin it on both sides so that way it won't move. And I use a marker to create a shape or any or anything that I would want to do to create the embroidery. So here's the first attempt I did. So the idea was that I was using this copper wire to put in the beads and then attach it onto the design, and then afterwards I would turn it back and then have it twist or have it tied together so it would stay and not have it be loose. So I am going to keep going and see how this is going to go. Okay, so I've already just finished making 2 handmade beading samples, and I think one of the hardest things was being able to take the time to have it bead properly on the tulle fabric, and of course being able to gather as much of these wires to have it be able to twist them. And of course, as you noticed, I've already taken off the pieces of the paper towels because I want the beading to be laid onto the fabric. And it also depends on what type of hand embroidered beads that you're going to create. If it's a shape or an object, it really depends. And another thing to point out as well is that with these types of beads, it won't be able to fit through the sewing needle because it won't be able to go through even if I use a copper wire or any threads. The beads won't be able to fit through the sewing needle, even if it was going to be easier. So yeah.